Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Select Aluminum Railing for horizontal applications. Trex Select Aluminum Railing panels are designed to be attached with posts installed at a maximum clear span of 6 or 8 feet. The tools required for proper installation include minimum 18-volt drill with a T20 drive bit, tape measure and pencil, rubber mallet, and a circular saw. Select aluminum railing panels come in 6 and 8 foot lengths, with a 36 or 42-inch railing height. Each panel also includes a foot block. If using blank posts, brackets will need to be purchased separately and installed. See Install Guide. With posts and brackets installed, position panel between posts and ensure there is equal distance on each of the end balusters and posts. Mark your rail panel and be sure to leave a minimum of 1.5 inches on each side of rails from post to baluster to allow for attachment to brackets. Cut ends of both bottom and top rails 3/8 of an inch shorter on each side to allow for fit into brackets. Once you've cut your panel down to size, turn the panel upside down to install the foot block. Center foot block insert on underside of bottom rail and install using one number 10 by 3/4 inch screw. Push foot block shaft onto foot block insert. Gently tap foot block cap into foot block shaft. Return panel to upright position and place into bottom and top brackets. There will be a gap between the brackets and the rails. Attach top panel rails to top brackets using 3 number 10 by 3/4 inch self-drilling screws. After attaching your top bracket screws, your next step is to install bracket covers. Gently spread and then snap the corresponding bracket covers over opening in upper and bottom rails. Finish your project by attaching provided skirt to post bottom and adding the post caps. A light tap from a rubber mallet may be required for secure attachment. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.